What does it mean to be a believer? It means pushing through every challenge, believing the job isn't done until it's done right, believing that every home, every customer, every moment matters. Since 1981, believers have built this team, from one garage to one team, redefining what's possible. Being a believer means finding the right solution, not the easy one. Being a believer means knowing your craft, inside and out, showing up for those we serve, providing permanent solutions. Every call answered, every system designed, every home made safe, every ripple made by believers. We are raising standards. We are redefining experiences. We are reaching to achieve more. We are believers.